As I'm beginning to work on my stuff, he's starting to work on his stuff. So what's the game plan today, bro?
Oh, I strip as much as I can. I'm going to start with the interior, start with the seats. First, I'm wanting to take off that Jaguar.
Yeah, that's
I know I'm going to say anything that I can strip off this thing, I'm saving.
Yeah.
It don't matter because after this, the car's getting crushed. So I want my big plan is to strip it down so that the engine is on the frame so I can move the frame around.
Yeah, hopefully this isn't a unibody frame. It didn't look like it, but
we'll find out.
Yeah.
This is just a start. Anything that's can be saved is coming off because she's getting crushed.
Yeah.
I can't drive it, so. But at least I can save the heart of the Jaguar.
Yeah. Because you're also after what, the front end, rear end, possibly just whatever else, right?
Yeah, if there's a frame on it, I'm going to leave the tires on it so I can just move that engine and transmission around. I think this is a pretty lengthy transmission.
Yeah, it's extremely huge oil pan from what I remember looking underneath it.
It looked like a pretty big block from the pictures I found online.
Yeah.
It was a pretty tall motor.
Well, I'll be back to see on the progress update, or whenever you want me to yell over for a progress update.
Yeah, when you get ready to start working, priming that 69, yell at me.
Yeah, they'll be this afternoon, because right now I'm going to clean off the engine for the 61 Galaxy, so that way I can mess with it for the mystery oil. But alrighty.
I don't have big enough sockets for... It's going to be metric, I know that.
Yeah, he's going to have lots of fun. Oh, he actually got a standard.
Yeah, so stick around and grab that Jaguar.
Well, okay. I'm going to put this down then.
Right. First thing to come off.
And that's metal. That's heavy.
Yep. But the nut holding it on is plastic.
Yeah, look at that. It's,
I'm not surprised. I mean, it's 99.
Yeah. So when we put it on whatever, definitely have to get a metal nut for it so that way nothing happens.
I don't know what this...
Well, definitely something, or something on a rat rod. I don't know. It's your decision. It's your stuff.
It's not damaged or nothing.
Yeah, which is a good thing. Well, it's not pitted or anything.
Yep. Got a little nick right there.
Oh,
maybe.
Probably from hitting some sort of a bug or a pebble in the road.
It's hard to say.
Yeah, that thing probably weighs a good half a pound. Yeah, that's. Yeah.
Before I even take off that grill, I'm gonna take the hood off.
Oh yeah.
Well, it's tight.
Oh, I see.
Yeah, if you look on this side, she's tight.
Let's see how that is. Yeah, starting to rust right here on the hood. Well, I know it doesn't matter because the hood's not gonna be saved or anything, but.
Oh no, I think
well, actually, yeah,
I just might save that hood for a trophy. That's actually a nice.
Well, he wants the grill for a trophy to hang down. Well, downstairs in the garage when we build it and everything, because we're going to have an
well, you'd have to be stupid throw away a perfectly good Jaguar grill. I mean.
Yeah.
Plus, that's just neat. Whether it's plastic or not.
Yeah. But alrighty, I'll leave you to your devices, and I want to go over and mess with the Galaxy. Oh, look what we got open. Got the trunk open.
Yeah, I didn't have a key, so did the old-fashioned way with the crowbar. It actually came open pretty easy, surprisingly.
Definitely gonna have to take the hook off down here. Now there was a lot of extra goodies too that he's got, and
yeah, I found a bunch of tools. Found a brand new set of jumper cables.
And this, yeah.
I ain't joking. I'll save that back just because it's Jaguar.
Yeah. But this is where the battery went, which we suspected. Another fuse box.
So far I've seen 4 fuses.
Yeah.
Yeah. I know there's 2 underneath that were underneath the front seat. You got that big thing. Then I saw some more up front. It's like, I can see why these things were wiring nightmares.
Yeah. As I look in the interior here in the back. Because he was going to take the the seat out and get into the back that way, but really can't. It's solid. Yeah. don't think the seat's never been out.
Oh, there's the fuel tank.
Oh. Okay. That's pretty good sized. Shiny. Yeah, look at that.
Ooh, jeez.
What is that? It's a disc system.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, look at that. You got a Jaguar disc system. Huh. Yeah. You can upgrade these to modern stuff, too. Well, of course, CDs haven't really changed anyways.
No.
Yeah. So he's got something to put tunes in the 36 Chevy. And he's got plenty of room for all this stuff so far. So what's going on this side? There's your electrical antenna.
Yep, I'm checking that out.
Yeah. There's a vent there. It's very interesting. Back tail lights. A lot of small wiring on that.
Yeah, I don't like dealing with wires that tiny.
Yeah.
That's just from an electrician standpoint. What do you mean?
Well, yeah, you're a foreman and all that stuff. You know what you're doing.
Well, it's not just that. It's what's easier to work with. This stuff is like
Some
headache.
tape stuff on each side. What's this? Looks like that's some stuff to. Oh, has to put stuff on for it not to vibrate that much.
Yeah.
Noise reducer.
It's anti-vibration.
Yeah. Some insulation. You can save back. Definitely used for the Chevy. Something right here.
The question is, how full is this tank?
I don't know.
Okay. Don't sound too bad.
Really can't put a stick in and see it. That's one piece. That stem valve. Yeah, that's
Maybe $500 right there.
maybe. Could be more. Right there's the.
I know the 74s. Those saddle tanks were.
Yeah, on each
Ones
side.
I
I
saw were a
think.
little under 400.
Yeah. Yeah. Ground wire. Interesting how they have the battery back here. Right.
Probably because there's no room to put it up front.
Oh yeah, I feel a lot cold. So it's probably about that full, give or take. This gas tank might fit in the. I mean, it might. Don't know.
No, I'm not gonna put that in there.
Oh, I know. Okay. Alrighty, that's interesting. At least drain holes. Of course, that's the hump where we jacked it up and slid it over to get it off. So this thing's a little warped. But okay, that's not too bad. So how's your progress coming along?
Yeah, that wiring harness was something else.
Oh yeah.
I mean, it looks like. I mean, it has different style plug-ins, so I don't have to label a lot of stuff backwards so far.
No, okay. And because he's starting from the back, working to the front, see what stuff he has to work with. But
Yeah, my idea is start from the tail end of the wiring harness and just work my way forward.
oh, okay. Yeah. And that's gonna be an interesting wiring harness, especially when we get into that coupe. I mean, it'll fit, no problem.
Oh, it'll fit.
Just
I mean, that coupe
So
has
long.
more than enough room to.
oh yeah, she's got more than enough room. Well, I'll come back here after a bit and see how things are going. All right, so final progress report of the day. What have you done?
Well, I got everything halfway back. Got the front seats loose.
Okay.
half the wiring harness from back.
Oh, you
There
got
to
that
the
out.
back.
Oh, jeez. That's okay.
Why did I have it taken out yet? It was the battery cables and stuff. I had to cut one wire to put it on arrangement.
Oh, okay.
It's pretty obvious which one. I know which
Oh,
one.
yeah. Well, it's getting stripped. Ground wire right there, take it?
Yep.
Okay. Yeah. So far, so good.
There's a lot of tiny wires.
Yeah, that 36 Chevy is gonna have a lot of goodies. And he said he had to cut the headliner too because it was just fiberglass. Yeah.
She's right there.
Oh my gosh, that's all that headliner is. Toss that in the dumpster.
Yeah, this is the dumpster pile besides the tire. This is stuff I'm thinking.
Yeah, it's definitely save back that basket. Man, it's...
Yeah, but I decided to break, since I didn't have a key, I broke into the glove box.
Oh
I
yeah.
actually found the manuals and all that stuff to it. More electrical stuff.
Oh, fine.
It's loaded.
Well, I mean, gonna have a lot of planning to do on the electrical harness and putting it into the 36 Chevy once we get the body redone next year. Yeah, and it's amazing how they put that all solid right there. And then look underneath the seat here. See how that looks? Oh yeah. Electrical box there too. My gosh. Eh. So that's pretty much Tucker's weekend plans, and I'm still working on some stuff over there. So.
You want to take a sneak peek at the wiring harness?
Oh yeah. Well, at least the wiring harness in the back.
This is what I got to deal with.
Tiny.
Yeah. This is the fuse box that was sitting in the back side of it.
At least it's the thin ones.
Nice thing about it though too is halfway point.
Oh.
It gets connected like that.
Well, that's good.
This was already broken, kind of hurts me, but wires this size is kind of a pain in the butt to terminate.
Well, yeah, that's pretty interesting, especially that big old fuse box.
Of course, my pile of stuff I'm saving.
Yeah.
Car's getting crushed, so I'm going to strip as much as I can off of it. I picked this out. I did have it out.
Oh yeah,
This was-
the CD changer.
Yeah, the CD changer in the back.
Yeah, don't know how many CDs it is, but
I don't know yet.
looks like 6 holds. Yep, goes up to 6. Have to learn how that works and functions and everything. And also too, you even found out that these light up right here,
I think
or at least I think.
there's a little what
Yeah, right here is.
possibility they do light up. I mean, this is what was. Yeah, they could be. There's a little.
Yeah.
So that's definitely might be a.
Interesting thing to put an indentation into the 36.
Oh yeah, guys! If you ever junk out a Jag, be careful of these things.
Oh yeah,
They go flying. It cut
popped
me.
him right in the nose right there.
Give me a bloody nose.
Yeah.
Except for this was on the bigger ones. This is taillights have ones that are a little bit inch long. You don't have your hand over it, they'll go flying.
Well, he's made very significant progress on this.
It's half done.
Yeah, half done. He's doing the easy stuff first and then going up to the more difficult stuff. Because you're going to save that dash back just in case, or what?
I don't know what I'd use it for. I'll probably save it.
Yeah.
But I don't know what I use it for.
You can always see what kind of material it is. You can always customize the center console right there once you figure out what kind of material it is. That way it sits in the coupe just fine.
Well, I'm going to save the center console regardless because it'd be a good pattern to do something. And since that 36 does not have a back seat, I don't have a back heater. There's no back seats in it except for a rumble seat.
Yeah.
It was that style. But if it had back seats in it, yeah, that would be a cool option.
Yeah, but you're not going to put a rumble seat back into it, are you?
I don't know yet.
Okay.
That's still down the road.
Yeah, because it'd be kind of dangerous anyways with that engine.
Or just don't hit it.
Yeah. Well, that's pretty much everything in the nutshell for this weekend for his work. And he's got a lot done. And I'll have to measure those seats and everything, and the width on the Chevrolet, and because obviously those seats are going to pretty much sitting, pretty much side by side, but you have to make sure with the seat belts and everything, and then set up a proper center console for the shifter and all the other goodies that are needed for the rest of the gadgets to work. Yeah, so that's pretty much everything in a nutshell. So anything else you want to add before I work on this next weekend?
No, the only thing I'm going to have to figure out, I want to figure out how to take that trim off.
Oh, which trim is this?
The ones that said Jaguar, I want to save those.
Oh, those
Those are actually kind of neat. I need to figure out how to take that center console out without destroying it. I didn't save any of the trim. The trim was so flimsy it just tore right in two.
Oh yeah, he said it was very, very thin plastic.
And but once I get to it, I want to figure out how to cut that. I'm going to cut that part of that roof out just to save the sunroof mechanism.
Oh yeah, that'd definitely be interesting for something else. But alrighty.
It's getting crushed anyways.
Yeah, I mean, save whatever you can for something else. Well, there you all go. He's working on a car and we're working on cars, so we're getting some things out. So please like, share, comment, subscribe. We're getting pretty darn close to 1,000 subscribers. So on me and Tucker here, we wish y'all a do, and hopefully the sun's not too bad. So y'all have a good night, take care, and stay safe. See you later.